This is the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Tuesday, the 29th of January. I'm Michael Groff. The weather turns cooler over the next 24 hours thanks to a cold front coming through, and there'll be a small chance of showers associated with that. What about the weather for the weekend? And are we still looking for a big warm-up as we go into next week? Let's talk about it first. The almanac from yesterday, 62 degrees, the pleasant afternoon high after a morning low of 44. A trace of rain officially in the bucket. Outside right now, here at 7:45 a.m., we've got a few clouds out there this morning. Starting out at 44 degrees again at Tampa International, dew point at 41, humidity 89%. The winds are calm and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, mid-30s to about 40 over Polk County. Low and mid-40s for much of Hillsborough. Low 40s to about 50 in Pinellas County. And if you think it's a little bit chilly outside this morning, check out these numbers up in the northern plains. Grand Forks, North Dakota, and Crookston, Minnesota. 20 degrees below zero. 26 below in Warroad. It is 24 degrees in my mom's hometown of Walhalla, North Dakota this morning. And then that's the temperature. Now when you factor in the wind, 55 below is the winner on this up at St. Vincent, Minnesota, way up there in the northwest corner of the state. Widespread 30, 40 below wind chills up across North Dakota and Minnesota this morning. No thanks. The upper air look this morning, and that's something that you don't see every day either. Upper heights, 500 millibar heights, under 500 decameters up there across North Dakota and Minnesota. You wonder why it's so cold. That same trough that's bringing all that cold air, it's going to push that cold front through here later this afternoon and tonight, but we'll see nothing at all resembling any kind of cold like that. The watch warning map, wind chill warnings extend from the Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, south and eastward into Indiana, Kentucky, and even Tennessee. Winter weather advisories go as far south as parts of Mississippi and Alabama. It's snowing in Columbus and Birmingham this morning, of all places. The severe weather outlook for today, nothing to worry about here. And precipitation valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Hardly anything for us here in Tampa Bay. Much of Central Florida will stay dry for the next week. We'll talk about why that is as we go into the details with the models. Check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. A high amplitude pattern continues across North America with a big ridge along the west coast and up into the northeast Pacific, and that extremely cold vortex over the northern plains and the western Great Lakes. So for us, down at the surface today, partly cloudy skies. The cold front is approaching from the west, but the day stays dry. High temperatures low to middle 60s. Tonight, a small chance of a shower. They'll be isolated in nature. I think if we see anything at all, it'd be very light. We'll be lucky to get any measurable precip out of this. Lows tonight down in the 40s. And then tomorrow, kind of a breezy day, mostly cloudy. High temperatures stay in the mid and upper 50s. The warm spots might get to about 60. On Thursday, we'll continue with mostly cloudy skies, highs in the mid 60s. By Thursday night and Friday, with the southwest flow taking over, moisture on the increase. So some light rain around, but the key word is light. Precipitation amounts generally less than 1/10 of an inch, if we get much of anything at all. High temperatures will be warming up, though, towards 70. By Saturday, don't think we'll have any rain for this weekend. Partly sunny skies, highs in the mid-70s. Again, that southwest flow will help really warm things up and get it kind of tropical. Mid and possibly upper 70s on both Sunday and Monday with partly sunny skies. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 5th of February, still a southwest flow, still temperatures well above average, could be approaching 80 at that point, with another trough heading out into the plain states. It's got 10 days. This is the end of the period. Thursday, the 7th of February, a mainly zonal flow, and high temperatures look to be still above average, likely in the mid-70s or so. Speaking of temperatures, let's check those out off the GFS ensemble, and indeed, it's got us at 58 tomorrow, but then after that, temperatures warm up, and we go above normal and stay there all the way through mid-month. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And of course, your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there and have a fantastic Tuesday.